Sir, there is a query from Olivia. She is based out of London and she has experience of 10 years in dietitian. She's a dietitian basically. And
Hmm.
now she wants to start her own e-commerce business.
Hmm.
So she lives in European countries. So there's too much costing of the products. She want to
Okay.
pick wholesale products and then sell it online. But she's finding a better alternative, some cheaper source from a country if
Uh-huh.
she can get.
Fine, fine. I
Yeah.
think we are best suitable in that case. It's a good query. See, if someone wants to learn how to start an e-commerce business for fitness products, especially, I think they should not look for anything outside India, especially for the herbal care products. And I think what is Olivia's query is quite, what do you say, matching with our country's um, business model. Like what we do at FitSumit, I'll just show you. Instead of talking, it will be much better if I show the screen itself. So this is FitSumit's website, and here we actually provide a fully functional e-commerce store of health and beauty products. Okay, uh, fitness products, I would say, along with an ongoing mentorship support and contacts of manufacturers. And if you look at one of those, that's like dietary supplement, because she said she's a dietitian, so she can get all these products from India itself. The reason is very simple. Vitamin C is vitamin C. You buy vitamin C from Europe, or you buy vitamin C from India or from any part of the world. Now, when we say India, India has got one of the best pharmaceutical markets, and now what happens is if you actually source from India, you can actually get your in your own name. That is important, that you get your own branded product of dietary supplements. We also have something called Ayurvedic medicines, which are like the ancient way of healing a human in this way. So there are so many different type of products which can be again branded in your own name. There are some good essential oils that you can take and make use of it. So if you look at all these products, they are all related to the product that she can sell online. So from our side, what we can do, we can help her with a fully functional e-commerce store, okay, and training can be provided so that she can start selling them in Amazon and multiple e-commerce marketplaces. What is important in Christina's case, I'm understanding. What's her name? I forgot the name. Olivia, you said, right? The
Olivia,
girl's
right, sir?
Olivia.
Yeah.
So in Olivia's case, I would suggest that she can definitely start a business, but she can't do two things at one time. Either she can do the work of dietitian, or she can become like a businesswoman. I would suggest, Olivia, that you continue with your dietitian's work, get products in your own brand name, which we will only give it to you directly start selling those products in your country with your brand name. It's easy, right? Secondly, the products are very low cost, so there's a big margin of almost 1,000%, you can say, because I know the cost of vitamin C will be quite less. I would say $20 or $25 in India. I'm talking about 1 kg, and the cost of vitamin C in your country will be very high. Now, vitamin C is vitamin C. Now, when China is exporting their products and they're dumping the products in your country, then there is no problem. But when India says we will be doing it, so there is a question. I don't know why, but this is a little thing which we both have to understand. So what you are doing now, you continue to be as an influencer. That's what you are. You are a dietitian. You are a marketer, right? So you continue to talk about what is the product that you have for different type of health related benefits, what medicines or what kind of supplements they can take, and what are the benefits of those supplements. Now the benefit is, if you get one customer also who is going to be a subscriber for you, that will be subscriber for at least, I'm saying you, 3 to 4 years, at least bare minimum. I'm saying you will get loyal subscribers who will be there for you forever. We have seen people who are loyal subscribers. I'll teach you how to get that. But then you'll be having a target of making a subscription of almost 1,000 people, elderly, children, a very big market, because once they become a subscriber, they'll be a subscriber for at least 10 to 12 years. Trust me. Elderly will be a subscriber for at least next 10 to 20 years, as long as you want. Once somebody's age is more than 50, From there, they will become your subscriber till they become aged enough that they are continuing to leave because of your herbal supplements. You got my point? So you are going to create subscription economy in this way. I'll teach you the whole process. Remember this one. You have to be the influencer, you have to be the face, you have to be the thought leader. If you're able to do it, then we can jointly work out on a plan where you sell and we provide the complete support and operations to you. An e-commerce store can be built, a brand for you can be created, products can be given, and the sales automation through the softwares and all can be done. The only thing you have to do is promote yourself properly. And now, how to promote yourself properly, that also I'll teach you. It's very simple to do. Now, I would suggest you to become part of our journey and we can together do something in this way. That's all I would say, Olivia. Wish you best of luck. In 10 years, if you have done something in this healthcare industry as a dietitian, I think in the coming years, you'll become very, very successful because right now you see um, Kylie Jenner, billionaire, only selling what? Beauty products. Now, all these people who are becoming beautiful, they have to also take care of their health, inner health. So you can become the next multi-billionaire, who knows? You just have to understand that what is that key that you want to use so that you become the multi-billionaire. Okay. And I think the key can be sourcing products in low cost from India, authentic, high quality products I can provide you. My experience is with this only. I'll just show you my screen again so that you will get an idea, Olivia, that who I am and what I do. So just taking you through the about me page and look at this. Previously, I worked with Alibaba itself in China. I was taking care of their education program, where the idea was to onboard hundreds and thousands of Chinese as well as global sellers in Chinese e-commerce portal for exports. And when I started doing this years back, nobody was knowing so much about Alibaba or China. But when Alibaba was doing it, so China became successful, and China is now a leading power. It's like a superpower. Now I'm back in India, helping Amazon to grow itself internationally and have been doing a good job in this. Okay. Now, when I say that I have got some experience, it's a very serious experience where billions of dollars worth of transactions have been done already. So you be rest assured, you will become successful working with us. Okay. Now, if you have queries, more queries, you can reach out to my support team and we can connect you again and we can discuss what can be done on this.